Now, last class we have discussed what is the direct inverse, what is the direct variation and what is the inverse variation. Now, today we are discussing some basic problem of direct variation case. The direct variation case x upon y is a k. So, this question number 1. Find P and Q. Find P and Q if x and y are directly x and y are directly. See, the table is given. Here is the x and here is the y. 5 8 P32 5 8 P32 5 8 P32 tan and Q. Now this is direct variation, that is x upon y is a k. Now see this, 5 upon 8 is a p upon 32. So by cross multiply 8 into p barabar 5 into 32. So p is a 5 into 32 upon 8. So p is a 20. The value of p is a 20. Similarly, p upon 20 is a 10 upon q. The value of p is a p upon 32, 20 upon 32, 10 upon q, or 20 into q is a 10 into 32. So value of q is a 10 into 32 upon 20, 10 to the 20 60, q is a 60. Hence, p is a 20 and q is a 60. This is one of the most important cases of the direct and inverse variation. Now, next is now one more question about direct variation case. This is a question number 2. Question number 2. 5 bags of rice, weight 150 kg. How many such bags of rice weight is 900 kg. So this question, the weight of 5 bags is 150 kg. Find the number of bags with the weight of 900 kg. When weight is increased, number of bags also increase. So this is a direct variation case. So construct a table by given information. There is number of bags. This is a 5. Weight of bags. This is a 150 kg. Here is a 900 kg. Number of bags be x. Let number of bags be x. This is direct variation case, that is x upon y barabar k. Now 5 upon 150 is x upon 900. Again y by cross multiply 150 into x and 5 into 900. X is 5 into 900 upon 150. 15 is 90. X is 30. So number of bags is 30. Now another question related to that variation. If you have any problem, see this. Now question number 3. If the weight of 5 sheet of paper is 20 gram, how many sheets of paper would weigh 2.5 kg. This is also direct variation case with 2/5 kg means 250 gram. So now this is a construct a table by given information. There is a number of bags, sheets and weight. Number of sheet is 5, weight is 20 gram. Here is the number of sheet BX 2.5 kg or 2.5 into 1000, 1 kilogram, 1000 gram, 25000 gram. Let number of sheet BX. This is direct variation case, that is x upon y is a k, 5 upon 20 is x upon 2500. By cross multiply 20 into x, 5 into 2500. X is 5 into 2500 upon 20. 5 4 is 20. 2 is 4. 2 1 is 2. 2 6 is 12. 625. X is 625. So number of sheet is 600. Number of sheets 625. Now today we discuss some important direct variation cases question. Please do worksheet 1. If you have any problem, ask in June class. And next day we will discuss what is the inverse variation and their properties. Wish you best of luck.